welcome back. My name is Liz. So you guys, I'm going to take you along with me waxing today. So I got this wax kit from Amazon. It was about $40, so super inexpensive when you compare it to going and getting waxed professionally. You're gonna save quite a bit of money, so that was kind of my reason behind it. I've already tried waxing myself before. I've done like the whole homemade sugar wax thing, and it's super easy, but you have to get like the formula perfectly right. So I wanted to get a wax kit that I could reuse a bunch of times. This is just a hard wax kit, so by that I mean you get the beads, you warm them up, and then you apply it on any part you want to wax, and then the wax hardens to the point where you can peel it up and rip out the hair. So you guys, I got this kit from Amazon. It will be linked in the description below, along with a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. If you have never used Amazon Prime, you get 2-day free shipping and free returns. It's amazing. So I will have that all linked in the description box, but this is by Yeelen, which is a brand on Amazon, and it's super affordable. I got it really quickly because I am going on vacation, so I wanted to do this before vacation instead of spending a bunch of money going and getting waxed. I like to wax before a vacation just so I have less maintenance I have to do while I'm there, and everything just looks a little bit smoother and cleaner. So let's go over what comes in the kit. So you guys, you get 4 bags of this wax beads. They're little beads that you just melt. You melt them, and then they turn into a harder wax once you like apply it to your body. Okay, so 4 bags of that, so that's gonna last a while depending on like what areas you're doing. And then you have the wax warmer. It's got a bunch of different temperature settings. Once you take the lid off, you have this, which you can clean out as much as you need. This is what's going to get really hot. And then here is the heater. So you put this in there, and then you put the beads and then just heat it up. I'll have to look at what temperature we need to heat it up at. You also get popsicle sticks for application. You get some little ones for like your eyebrows or your lip hair, and then you get some big ones for obviously bigger areas like your legs, bikini, armpits, whatever you want to wax. You also get a pre-wax treatment, which I'm assuming probably has like alcohol in it just to like wipe away any moisture on that body part. You also get an after wax kit, which I think is oil of some sort, just to soothe any irritation or redness. And then you guys, any questions you might have about this, they have a whole pamphlet, and I pretty much read through this whole thing. It's really informational, so it's gonna help you out, especially if you've never waxed before. So it shows you exactly how to do it. So pretty much what I'm about to do is I'm about to throw all of those beads into the wax kit. They say you should crank it up to the hottest temperature to melt everything quickly, so 240. And then after everything is liquefied, we're gonna bring it back down to 160 so that it, it doesn't burn your skin or anything like that. So you guys, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, so I did a little bit of my legs. It's working really well. I wanted to try my armpits. So they're kind of long. I would like to grow them out a little bit longer, but I think that this will give you guys a good idea of how good this works. So I'm gonna open up the pre-wax treatment. Throw a little bit of this on me. Oh, it's literally like hand sanitizer, yeah. So it's just alcohol to like clean up any moisture. And then I have some baby powder we can throw on. Say throw a little bit of baby powder. Okay, let's do this thing. I don't know which way my hair is going, up or down. Oh, that was a fail. I think I gotta go upward. Oh baby, I know this one's gonna hurt, but then I don't have to worry about it for like 2 weeks. Hopefully. Unless it's too thin. Okay, now you let this cool down to the point where you can rip it off, and you'll know when it's hard. It gets hard pretty quickly. Okay, she's hard. Oh. Oh. Y'all. This is amazing. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm one of those hairy bitches that grow like 3 hairs per hair follicle. Holy shit. Ooh, baby, she red. Let me see what. Okay, so we got the majority of it. I'm gonna go right here and over here one more time. I'm gonna do this in the mirror so I can actually see what the hell I'm doing. And then hold your skin taut. I think that helps a little bit more. Okay, she dry. Just pull the skin taut. So overall, you guys, this thing works like a charm, as you can tell. Like, that's crazy. That's so much hair. So yeah, I highly recommend this product. Again, if you guys want to get this wax kit, you can get it on Amazon, and I will have the link to this specific product linked in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it. And make sure, if you guys haven't tried Amazon Prime, you go ahead and use the 30-day free trial that I provide there too, so you can get this in 2 days. You guys, I'm really impressed with this. I am never going back to like a European wax or any sort of waxing place, because now I can do it affordably in my own home. I mean, I know it's like painful, but it's only a few seconds of pain, and it's like worth, you know, 3 weeks of not having to shave. So I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.